6 divided by 2 equals 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. And 6 divided by 6 equals 1. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have couple of division operators present, but we also have parentheses present. So according to the rules, parentheses have highest priority. So let's solve what we have inside parentheses. We have 6 divided by 2, that gives us 3. And our expression now simplifies to 6 divided by 2 times 3. Now we have multiplication and division operators present in this expression, and according to the rules, multiplication and division have equal priority, but we must work from left to right, so we should solve this division first. 6 divided by 2, that gives us 3, and 3 times 3, that gives us 9, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.